Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another informative and useful video. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be show you how to fix the operation cannot be completed at the moment on DeepSeek AI. So guys, if you are facing this problem and you don't know that how can you fix this issue. So today in this video I'll show you how can you fix it. So let's start our video without wasting any time. So guys, first of all you have to just simply open the settings and then tap on Wi-Fi and make sure that you have an active internet connection, and then tap on VPN and device management and make sure that there is not connected to any of the VPN. If there isn't connected VPN, then you have to just simply disconnect the VPN and then tap on general and then type on iPhone storage, and you have to just simply delete the app from here. So guys, after deleting the app, open the app store again, tap on search and then search DeepSeek, and here you have to just simply again download the app from here, and after that hopefully your problem will be fixed. So in this way you can easily fix your problem. So that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.